What is going on, viewers? Jedi82 here, and I wanted to show you a little secret that I'm surprised nobody else has figured this out yet, or at least all the videos that I've seen on YouTube about carrier landings and tips and tricks on how to land on the carrier. So I'm going to show you what I do, a procedure that I do all the time, the same time, every time, and I have no problem landing on the carrier, whether if I'm full of fuel, heavy, weighing 11 million pounds, or if I'm weighing 2 pounds. The procedure is still the same. The only thing that changes with weight, obviously, is your speed. So here's what you're going to do. All you got to do is make sure you have your flight path indicator in the middle of the E-bracket. In the middle of the E-bracket. And where you're going to aim at in the carrier is between the... What the heck? Y'all talk too much. You're going to aim in between the cables and the end of the ship. And I'll show you what I mean in a bit, because it's kind of hard to explain. But anyway, so I'm on a left base. I'm going to go ahead and lower my hook. Lower my gear. So I'll show you my, there's my poundages right there, and I'm in fuel. Let me look in front of me so I know where I'm going. This is a horrible lineup. Anyway, so I'm pretty sure most of you are aware already. You do want your E-bracket in the middle of your flight path indicator, or your flight path indicator in the middle of your E-bracket, however you want to, whatever. Same difference. Alright, so here it is. Get ready for this. I'm telling you, if you do this, you're going to land every single time. Alright, so my flaps are full, second notch. Flight path marker is looking good. Now I'm going to aim right in between the end of the ship. I'm kind of off to the left, let me kind of correct here. To the end of the ship, or the end of the little runway space, and the trap cables. If you have your flight path indicators kind of centered on the deck, you're going to trap every time. Let me show you what I mean. Alright, kind of a little better lined up now. Alright, so right around here is where you want to be. So notice how my flight path marker is right in front of the catch cables and behind the end of the ship and inside the E-bracket. This is where you want to be. And you know what? That was a hard landing. But like I said, you're gonna catch every single time, and I don't know which wire I caught. But yeah. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm gonna show you that this works again when you're super heavy or regular weight or super light. Right now, about 6,000 pounds of fuel, 6,700 pounds of fuel, and I'm lining up the carrier now, and we're going to use the same exact technique. So flight path indicator is going to be right in the center of the E-bracket and aiming between the catch cables and the end of the ship. Kind of doing some S-turns here so I can bleed off some speed. Put my hook and gear down. Flaps. Oh, this is going to be a horrible approach, but I just know I'm going to trap ahead of time because it just works every time. Alright. I'm going super slow. Let me go ahead and speed up so I don't go for a premature swim. Alright, it's a good lineup. I'll throttle back here. So again, I want my flight path indicator in the middle of the E-bracket and after the catch cables, but aft of the end of the little runoff there. So get a little lower there. Let me get a little speed. So good AOA speed is about, was that 135-ish? So again, right after the catch cables and aft of the end of the boat. And there it is again. Hey, welcome back to the third and final try. Attempt for this. My fuel now is 910 and falling. I'm going to be landing really slow, but the concept is still going to be the same. Let me actually turn this way. Flight path marker in the middle of the E-bracket and aiming right in the middle of the cables in the end of the boat. This is my first time attempting landing at this speed, so hopefully I'll be able to do this, but I am confident if I apply the same concepts, I should land just fine. Oh, and I'm aiming for the wrong boat. Alright, look at that, even low fuel. Indicator light on. Alright, let me get lined up here. Get my hook down, my gear down, flaps. I'm gonna probably predict my landing speed's gonna be like 120 something. And I'm way out here still, so I might actually have to fast forward this for you guys because this is gonna be a slow approach. Now at 830 and 820 pounds. Oh jeez, let me get my throttle under control here. I don't even know if I have enough fuel to go around after this. Look at this, 710. The point of no return. Let's do this. Trying to lose some altitude here. Look at that altitude, 1,000 feet. I'm way up here. It's all good. Airspeed's 125. Jeez. Alright. Alright, so again, I'm going to be landing, or aiming, correction, right in between the cables and the end of the boat. Let's see if this works. I am very confident it will, but we shall see. Airspeed 125. Oh, some little bit, oh jeez, oh gosh. Well, that's still looking good, I think. And there it is. Look at that, 510. Yeah. So, if this works for you, let me know. If it doesn't, I really would like to know. Yeah, but it works for me every time, so. Yeah, I just thought I'd give that secret away for you guys. Cool. Alright, fly safe. See you next time.